Every part of the business is smoother and easier if you have the right equipment. So we couldn't have done Good if it weren't for SilverChef. Hi, I'm Lachie. My business is Good West End. We specialise in a lot of baked in-house goods and incredible coffee. With SilverChef Rent Try Buy, we've been able to switch out our equipment to grow with us. Essentially everything that we have that keeps us open day to day has been financed through SilverChef. When you own a hospitality venue, your money comes through day by day, hour by hour, minute by minute. So working with a company like SilverChef really works for us because we aren't having to shell out money that we don't have up front. And it just makes it a much safer bet for us. My one piece of advice is to just give them a call. They are just good human beings. I've never had a bad experience with SilverChef, and it will honestly be a safety net for you.
Grow smarter with SilverChef.